Hello students, welcome on my video. In previous lecture, we already covered maybe 4 or 5 short sum and I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now we are going on a new method and again we will discuss more short sums in this method. Okay, so first of all, here question 1, find the correlation coefficient between x and y variable, and here given information is n is equal to 6, sigma x is equal to 58, sigma y is equal to 40, sigma xy is equal to 431, sigma x square is equal to 606, and last one is sigma y square is equal to 316. So on the given this information, we will use the formula of r is equal to n into sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y upon under root n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into again under root n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Okay, so let me started this sum. So first of all we put the all values in this formula. So r is equal to, what is our n students? 6 multiplied by sigma xy, that means 431 minus sigma x 58 already given in the sum, multiply by sigma y is 40. Okay, then again upon under root n is our 6 multiply by sigma x square, so 606 already given in the sum, clear, minus sigma x square. So what is our sigma x? 58 whole square. Okay students, into again under root n is 6 into sigma y square is 316 minus sigma y, that means 40 whole square. Okay students, so let me do simplified form of these values. So first of all 6 multiplied by 431, that means our value is 2586 minus 58 multiplied by 40, that means our value is 2320 upon, अब यहाँ पे हम लोग डायरेक्ट सम कर लेते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 606 माइनस 58 होल स्क्वायर. सो अगेन हियर इन अंडर रूट 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 606, दैट मीन्स 3636 minus 58 whole square, that means 3364 into again under root 6 multiplied by 316, that means 1896 minus 14 whole square, that means 1600. Okay students, are you got it how to find these values? Okay, so again we do simplify form. So r is equal to 2586 minus 2320, that means our numerator is 266 अपॉन, अब हम लोग डायरेक्टली स्टूडेंट्स वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर देते हैं. सो 3636 माइनस 3364, दैट मीन्स अंडर रूट 272 इंटू 1896 माइनस 1600, दैट मीन्स 296. ओके, अब हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स डायरेक्ट रिमूविंग कर देते हैं रूट और मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देते हैं. सो हमारा आंसर होगा 283.7464. ओके, हाउ टू फाइंड दिस वैल्यू? सो आफ्टर रिमूविंग दिस बोथ डिजिट रूट एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस बोथ digits, so we will get the answer of 283.7464. after dividation we get value of r is equal to 0.94. okay, and this value is also between -1 to +1. okay, so this is our right value. So I hope you all are understood how to find These value are on the basis of given information. Okay, so please note down this sum in your notebook, students. let me solve second sum. Determine the value of the correlation coefficient. Now we have the value of covariance xy is to sx square is equal to 3 is to 5 and sx is to sy is equal to 1 is to 2. That means on the basis of this information, covariance xy upon sx square is equal to 3 upon 5, understood, and sx upon sy is equal to 1 is to 2. So this information is from the taken here and this is here. Okay, so on the basis of this information we will use the formula of correlation coefficient. R is equal to covariance xy upon sx. ओके, सो ये फॉर्मूला हमें यूज़ करना है और हमारे पास ये इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है. सो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस कोएफिशिएंट कोरिलेशन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है उसके ऊपर से हम लोग ये नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. कोवेरियंस एक्स वाई अपॉन एस एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय एस एक्स अपॉन एस वाई. क्लियर, ये हमारे पास टू फॉर्मूलास अवेलेबल है. सो अब इसका सिंपलीफाई फॉर्म करते हैं. सो एस एक्स स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स, एस एक्स मल्टीप्लाई बाय एस एक्स. क्लियर, सो ये जो ए वन एस एक्स है और ये जो वन एस एक्स है सो ये रिमूव हो गया है. तो आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग नाउ वी गेट द आवर फॉर्मूला सिग्मा एक्स वाई अपॉन ओनली हियर एस एक्स इंटू ओनली हियर एस वाई. दैट मीन्स ये हमारा जो मेन फॉर्मूला था वो क्रिएट हो गया ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. क्लियर, सो नाउ प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस simplified form and now we do the sum. So R is equal to covariance sxy upon sx square into sx sy. ये किसके लिए किया स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट फॉर योर एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके, सो अब हमारे पास जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है उसके बेस के ऊपर से हम लोग कोएफिशिएंट फाइंड करेंगे. So covariance xy is equal to 3 upon 5 multiplied by sx upon sy is also we have 1 upon 2. Clear, so 3 upon 10 that means our answer is r is equal to 0.3. okay, so this answer is also between -1 to +1. that means our r is right. okay, are you understood students how to find this formula on the basis of given information? Clear, sx square that means sx into sx. तो sx हम लोग कट कर देंगे. सो हमारे पास क्या अवेलेबल होगा एज अ न्यूमरेटर कोवेरियंस xy एंड एज अ डिनोमिनेटर ओनली sx into sy. ओके, सो इस ये भी हमारा क्या है, ये फॉर्मूला का ही पार्ट है. ओके, सो आई होप यू ऑल आर अंडरस्टूड. प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस सम इन योर notebook. Question number 3, determine the value of correlation coefficient. And now we have the information is n is equal to 10, sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar is equal to 72, sx is equal to 3 and sigma y minus y bar whole square is equal to 160. So on the basis of this information we will use the formula for correlation coefficient is r is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon n into sx into sy. So now we put the values in this formula. So r is equal to, what is the value of sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar is 72 upon n is 10 multiplied by sx also given in the sum 3 and what is the sy. So in this information we haven't the value of sy, so let me find the students. So for the find sy we have formula sigma y minus y bar whole square upon n. That means sy is equal to 160 upon n is 10. So sy is equal to under root 16. That means sy is 4. Clear? So our sy value is 4. Students, are you understood how to find sy value? Okay, then now we do the simplified form. So 72 divided by 4 3s are 12 multiplied by 10, that means 120. So r is equal to 72 divided by 120. So our answer is 0.6. So this answer is also between -1 to +1. Okay students, how are you understood how to find the value of r? Okay, so please note down this sum in your notebook. Another sum is question number 4. Here n is equal to 10, sigma x is equal to 133, sigma y is equal to 220, sigma x square is equal to 2344, then sigma y square is equal to 6500, and sigma xy is equal to 3500. Okay, then later on it was found that one of the pairs of observations of x and y was taken as 1320 instead of 1525. Find the correct value of r. So in this sum we take the wrong value of variable x and y. So let we find the correct value of all the information. Okay, so first of all here we mention the correct pair and incorrect pair. So students, among these two pairs which one is correct? So this one is our correct pair 1525, and incorrect pair 1320. Okay students, so let we rectify the all information. So first one we correct the sigma x. So what is our sigma x students? So our sigma x is equal to 133. So now what we do, so wrong जो वेरिएबल की वैल्यू है वो हम लोग माइनस करेंगे और जो करेक्ट है वो उसको हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे इन our sigma x value. So 133 minus what is the incorrect value of x? 13. So minus 13. What is plus? What is correct pair? 15. So plus 15. Okay students, so let we do simplified form. So 133 minus 13 plus 15. That means our correct sigma x is equal to 135. Are you got it students how to find correct sigma x? So given sigma x is equal to 133, deducted wrong pair from our original sigma x and add the correct pair in our correct sigma x. Okay, so let me find the next correct sigma y. So what is our sigma y students? Already given in the sum 220. So here also we do similarly to sigma x. So minus y incorrect pair 20, 220 minus 20 plus correct pair of y 25. Okay, so here also we do simplify form. So 220 minus 20 plus 25. So our correct sigma y is equal to 225. Okay, then let me find the correct sigma x square. So our sigma x square is equal to, what is our sigma x square value students? So 2344 minus incorrect pair of x 13 square minus correct 15 square. Okay, अब यहाँ पे हमने स्क्वायर क्यों किया स्टूडेंट्स? बिकॉज हियर ऑलरेडी गिवन सिग्मा एक्स स्क्वायर एंड दिस वैल्यू इज ओनली सिग्मा एक्स, सो हियर वी डू द होल स्क्वायर ऑफ द करेक्ट एंड इनकरेक्ट पेयर. ओके, यहाँ पे हमें होल स्क्वायर करना है. सो आफ्टर सिंपलीफाई फॉर्म 344 minus 169 plus 225. So after simplify form we get answer of correct sigma x square is 2400. Okay, now we find this correct sigma y square students. So correct sigma y square is equal to, what is the original value of sigma y square students? 6500. So 6500 minus incorrect pair of y variable 20 square plus correct value of y variable 25 whole square. So here we directly do the simplified form. So our answer is 6725. After simplified form we get answer of correct sigma y square is 6725. ओके, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया वैसे यहाँ पे हमें करना है सिंपलीफाई फॉर्म, फिर हमारा आंसर होगा 6725. एंड लेट वी फाइंड द लास्ट वैल्यू ऑफ सिग्मा एक्स वाई. सो व्हाट इज अवर सिग्मा एक्स वाई? 3500. ओके, सो 3500 minus correct incorrect pair 13 multiplied by 20 and correct pair is 15 multiplied by 25. Here why we do multiplication of these both numbers? Because here already sigma x y, that means x multiplied by y. So here this value is x and this value is y. So 13 multiplied by 20, this one is incorrect pair, so here we deducted from the 3500 and here also x and y values. So this both number multiplication हम लोग किस में करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे सिग्मा एक्स वाई जो हमारा ओरिजिनल वैल्यू है वो 3500. So after simplify form we get answer of correct sigma x y is 3615. Okay students, I hope you all are understood how to find correct value of sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma y square and sigma xy. Okay, so now these all values we put in this our formula. On the basis of given information we will use this formula for find the value of r. So n is equal to sigma x square xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon under root n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into again under root n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Okay, so students, now we put the all values of in this formula. So what is our n? 10 into what is our sigma xy? Correct sigma xy is 3615 minus what is our sigma xy correct? 135. Then sigma y is correct 225. Okay students, then upon under root n is 10 multiplied by what is our correct sigma x square students? 2400 minus sigma x, what is our sigma x value? 135 whole square into again under root n is equal to 10. What is our correct sigma y square? 6725 minus sigma y correct is 225 in whole square. Okay, then let me do simplify form of these values. So first of all 10 multiplied by 3615, that means 36,150 minus 135 multiplied by 225. So our answer is 30,375. Then under root 10 multiplied by 2400, that means 24,000 minus 135 whole square. That means 18,225 into under root 10 multiplied by 6725, that means 67,250 minus 225 whole square, that means 50,625. Okay students, then अब हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई फॉर्म करेंगे अगेन. सो 36,150 माइनस 30,375, दैट मीन्स आवर न्यूमरेटर इज 5,775. एंड देन अब हम लोग यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स डायरेक्टली माइनस करके रिमूव रूट भी रिमूव कर देंगे. क्लियर. सो डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट डाउन करते यहाँ पे हम लोग. सो 96009375. क्लियर. डिडक्शन कर दिया हम लोगों ने और उसके बाद दोनों वैल्यू का मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी कर दिया है और अंडर रूट एज इट इज. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग सिंपलीफाई फॉर्म करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट स्टेप. सो आर इज इक्वल टू 5775 अपॉन 9798.4374. that means our R is equal to 0.59. okay students, so this one is also between -1 to +1. that means our answer is right. so students, are you get it how to find correct value, and if given in the sum wrong value and right value, so first of all we will find the value of correct value of sigma x, sigma y, sigma x square, sigma y square and sigma xy. then we find the R by this formula. okay students, so please note down this all sum in your notebook. Find another sum, question number 5. n is equal to 10, sigma x is equal to 140, sigma y is equal to 150, sigma x minus 10 whole square is equal to 180, sigma y minus 15 whole square is equal to 215, then sigma x minus 10 y minus 15 is equal to 160. then find the correlation coefficient between x and y. so here students, we will use the formula for the find the correlation coefficient between x and y. this formula R is equal to n into sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon under root n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square into under root n into sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. now why we use this formula? so let we start this sum. so first of all, we find the value of x bar on the basis of given information. so x bar is equal to sigma x upon n. that means what is our sigma x? 140 upon 10, that means 14. then let me find the y bar. what is y bar? sigma y upon n. what is our sigma y students? 150 upon n is equal to 10, already given in the sum, so 15. okay, so now we find the all values of this formula. so first one is our, we find the value of sigma uv. so how to find sigma uv students? so this formula, this value is sigma x minus 10. this is not x bar, 10 is not x bar because our x bar is 14. so what is the value? so ये 10 किसकी वैल्यू है स्टूडेंट्स? सो हम लोग फाइंड करते थे u is equal to x minus a and v is equal to y minus b. जो लार्ज सम से हमारे स्टूडेंट्स, उसमें हम लोग ये फाइंड करते हैं यूवी मेथड में u इज इक्वल टू x माइनस ए एंड v इज इक्वल टू y माइनस b. so here u means x minus 10, that means ये जो वैल्यू है सिग्मा x माइनस 10 होल स्क्वायर. सो वो किसकी वैल्यू है स्टूडेंट्स? सिग्मा सिग्मा यू स्क्वायर, अंडरस्टूड। अब सिग्मा यू स्क्वायर की वैल्यू कैसे हुई स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पे मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ आपको। u का फॉर्मूला क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, x माइनस ए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे u स्क्वायर है, सो यहाँ पे भी होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा। देन अब हमारे पास वैल्यू कौन से अवेलेबल है, x माइनस 10 होल स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स x माइनस 10 होल स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स ये जो वैल्यू है 180 वो किसकी वैल्यू है स्टूडेंट्स, सिग्मा u square. Are you understood students how to find sigma u square, because u's formula is x minus a and here also given x minus 10, that means x minus a is equal to x minus 10 whole square, and here already given sigma, so here we also put the sigma. Clear? So sigma u square is equal to 180. Are you got it students how to find this value 180 of sigma u square? Okay, great. Then again we find the value of similar to sigma v square. So what is the formula for v students? So v is equal to y minus b, that means here y minus 15 already given. Clear? So here also we mention sigma y minus b whole square, because v square here also given v square, so here also we put the y minus b whole square is equal to sigma y minus 15 square already given. So what is the value of sigma y minus 15 whole square, 215. So this value is also known as sigma v square value. Okay, ये जो वैल्यू है वो हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, सिग्मा v square की वैल्यू है. एंड सिमिलर टू लेट वी फाइंड द सिग्मा uv. सो ऑलरेडी गिवन दिस x माइनस 10, दैट मीन्स x माइनस ए, मीन्स ये किसकी वैल्यू स्टूडेंट्स, u की वैल्यू है. क्लियर? and y minus 15, that means y minus b, y minus 15, that means this value is sigma v. So on the basis of this information we easily find out the sigma uv value. So our sigma uv value is only 16. Okay students, are you got it how to find sigma u, value of sigma uv, value of sigma u square, value of sigma v square? Okay students, good. Then let me find the value of sigma u. अब सिग्मा u की वैल्यू कैसे हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स फाइंड करेंगे, तो सिग्मा u, सो हियर सिग्मा u इज इक्वल टू sigma x minus 10, because this value is also denoted is sigma u's value. So here we put the value sigma x माइनस 10. अब हमें क्या करना है कि ये जो सिग्मा है वो दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, तो इसका सिंपलीफाई फॉर्म करते हैं, तो सिग्मा x माइनस सिग्मा 10 हो जाएगा. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, आर यू अंडरस्टूड? सिग्मा x माइनस सिग्मा 10, जो सिग्मा है उसको ये दोनों वैल्यू के साथ हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. अब स्टूडेंट्स सिग्मा x की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास, सिग्मा x की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 140 माइनस, अब सिग्मा 10 है उसका मीनिंग क्या होगा, सिग्मा का मीनिंग n मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. सो अब इसका सिंपलीफाई फॉर्म करेंगे तो 140, व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ n, सो 10, सो 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, दैट मीन्स 100. सो आवर सिग्मा u वैल्यू इज 40. आर यू अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स हाउ टू फाइंड दिस 40? Sigma u is equal to sigma x minus 10 already given in the sum. Clear? Then on the base of this formula we do the simplified form, the sigma x minus sigma 10. Sigma x value already given in the sum 140. Clear? Minus n multiplied by 10. Sigma 10 का मीनिंग क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, n multiplied by 10. So what is our value of n? So 10 multiplied by 10, so our answer is 140. So 140 minus 100, that means our answer is 40. Are you understood students how to find this sigma u value? Good. And last we find the value of sigma v. So what is the formula for sigma v? So sigma y minus 15. So again we do the simplified form. So sigma y minus sigma 15. Okay, then what is the sigma y value? 150. Then sigma 15, that means n multiplied by 15. So 150 minus what is the value of n? 10 multiplied by 15, that means 150. So 150 minus 150, that means sigma v is equal to 0. ओके, सो ये हमने सब वैल्यू फाइंड कर लिया स्टूडेंट्स, ये फॉर्मूला की. सो नाउ वी पुट द ऑल वैल्यूज इन दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, देन so r is equal to n is equal to 10, sigma uv value is 60 minus sigma u 40, sigma v is 0 upon under root n 10 sigma u square 180 minus sigma u whole square. So sigma u values is 40 whole square into again under root n value is equal to 10 sigma v square. Sigma v square is equal to 215 minus sigma v's value is 0 whole square. Okay, so students, let me do the simpler form. 10 multiplied by 16, so 600 minus 40 multiplied by 0 is 0 upon under root 10 multiplied by 180, that means 1800 minus 1600 into 10 multiplied by 215, that means 2150 minus 0. Okay, सो 600 अपॉन, अब हम लोग डायरेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स कर लेते हैं सॉल्व. 600 डिवाइडेड बाय 655.379. सो आफ्टर डिवाइडेशन वी गेट आंसर ऑफ r इज इक्वल टू 0.92. Okay students, so this value is also between minus 1 to plus 1. So I hope you all are understood students. If you have any doubt, so please comment on this video and please note down this sum in your notebook. Okay students, so now here short sums is all complete and I hope you all are understood. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss your third method, Spearman rank correlation. Okay students, thank you.